In this video I'm going to show you how to clean a toilet using baking soda and vinegar. Hard water can quickly build up on toilets and over time can leave grime and scale stains that are unsightly and often extremely difficult to clean. Nowhere is more problematic than a toilet, which seems to get a lot of use and holds standing water constantly. There are many cleaning products available on the market that can be used to remove hard water stains in toilets, but some of the most effective cleaners are often common household products. If you haven't guessed it, we're talking about baking soda, also called bicarbonate of soda or sodium bicarbonate. This product that raises cakes and calms heartburn also has a number of cleaning applications. So how does baking soda clean? Baking soda's cleaning power is mostly physical. A mild abrasive, it gently wears away stains. But chemistry is also involved. Baking soda reacts with the grease in stains to form glycerol, a common cleansing ingredient in soaps. Mixing it with vinegar creates carbonic acid, a weak acid that boosts the corrosive action of vinegar. It also releases carbon dioxide, the gas that makes soft drinks bubbly, which may enhance the scrubbing effect. Also as a weak alkali, baking soda neutralizes acids in odor molecules to eliminate strong smells. Although some toilets are made with a stain-resistant finish, the bowl still is at risk of staining. The minerals in standing water can discolour the porcelain. Turning it brown in rust-coloured rings can be a particular problem in areas that have mineral-rich water, also known as hard water. If allowed to build, such stains require strong acidic cleaners to remove it. These products can slowly erode the porcelain. Baking soda and vinegar are two of the most useful common household products that can be used to clean many things, including hard water stains in the toilet. To use baking soda and vinegar, first pour about a cup of distilled white vinegar into the toilet bowl and swish it around with a toilet brush and let it sit for about a minute. Then add about 1 cup, doesn't have to be exact, of baking soda to the toilet bowl and follow it by adding another cup or 2 of vinegar. Allow about 10 minutes for the fizzing action to work. Next, use a toilet brush to swish the solution around the bowl, making sure you get the solution into any stains that are above the waterline. Don't flush the toilet at this stage. Then let the vinegar and soda solution sit for a while. Then try scrubbing away any remaining stains. You can now flush the toilet and you can repeat this process once per week or as needed to keep the toilet bowl clean. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to clean a toilet using baking soda and vinegar. And if you have, please give this video the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to know how to clean grout on tiles using hydrogen peroxide, baking soda and vinegar, then just click here. Thanks for watching and bye for now.